Here are 6 reasons you'll want to use a MyEnergi charger at home. 1. It's cheaper. Charging your EV at home is already cheaper than using a charging station, but with a MyEnergi installed charger, you save even more money because you can take advantage of lower overnight rates and charging. 2. It allows you to manage and monitor your home electricity using the MyEnergi app, which works with your existing solar panels and batteries. 3. If you choose a tethered charger, you get a 6.5 meter long charging cable, so your car is never out of reach, and it stows away tidily. 4. It's secure. You can lock the charger using a PIN code to give you that added peace of mind. 5. It's the cheapest installation of a Zappi charger in the whole of the UK. 6. You can book an installation in 30 seconds and MyEnergi's installation team will come out and fit it. And we're going to show you just how easy it is to book a MyEnergi smart charger installation in under 30 seconds. Ready? 1. Go to cinch.co.uk, go to Car Care, scroll to learn more about home charging, then select Buy Your Home Charger. Start customizing your charger's colour, cable and speed. Let us get to know you and then let us know where and how you'd like your charger installed. Double check to make sure you've selected everything you want and you'll get a quote, and if you're happy with that, book a date for installation. And finally, kick up your feet and grab a cuppa while a MyEnergi engineer makes their way over to install your new Zappi charger.